So in this video, we're going to talk about the truth and nothing but the truth about Nvidia and SMCI, because it is so critical, because those two stocks are basically telling you what the fuck is about to happen in the market, and it is not what you're hearing in the news. So Nvidia, guys, let's rewind the time frame just a little bit here. Okay, let's go and take a look. Nvidia 2022, $118, $119. Nobody wants to buy it. The stock gaps down. We're buying fucking calls on this shit, okay? At $119, nobody wanted to touch it. Well, I'm posting multiple videos to buy Nvidia. Nobody wanted to buy it at $119. Now, the whole fucking world, guess what? Well, shit. What is it, Lee? What now? They want to buy it at $777. They didn't want to touch it at $119. Now the whole fucking world wants to buy it at $777. Okay, but there's your fucking lucky number if you're a short seller. Okay, nobody wanted it at $119. Now the whole fucking world wants it at $777. Okay, and yesterday I posted a video about Nvidia 666. So guys, it's very simple. Nvidia is going to fluctuate between 666 and 777 for the next few days. But this is not even the kicker, okay? If you know how to trade that, there's a little bit of money to be made here, but not as much, okay, as you can be making on SMCI. So Nvidia is up 15% today, and SMCI is up 35%. Well, SMCI is a beneficiary of Nvidia doing well. But how can a beneficiary go and outperform the very thing that it benefits from, okay, after the earnings report by more than double? Well, that's when the math just simply doesn't line up, and we're seeing that all over the marketplace now, okay? The beneficiary goes up 35%. Fucking SMCI is up 240 points, okay? Or 35%. In Nvidia is up 15% and 100 points. Well, just these numbers, okay? I'm playing with these numbers 666 and 777 just to get your attention to understand that it doesn't matter what kind of fucking numbers you throw at this market. It's not the market where 2 plus 2 equals 4. It's a market where 2 plus 2 equals fucking 11, okay? And I mean, these are critical moments in the market, because what follows next, okay, we're just days away. I mean, if not hours away from a major fucking collapse. And you could be looking at all this green action. You could be looking in Leo yesterday, we're at 666. Today we're at 777. Fucking tomorrow it could be a 999, right? But guys, it's those moments when you're just looking at these green candles, you're like, oh my God, how much higher are we going? We're not going much fucking higher. Could we go higher for another day or two? Sure. But within this mathematical inequation of where, you know, you got fucking SMCI trading like a penny stock, 35% drop not so long ago, where we nailed the 75x trade on the put side. And today's stock is up 35%, but guess what? The options are so overpriced, there's no way you can even repeat what we've done last Friday on the put side on SMCI. And so just as the moment you're looking at 777.777 on Nvidia and thinking, this is my fucking lucky number, I'm buying calls. That's exactly the moment this shit is probably going to reverse. And you're going to be like, oh, fuck, but I thought this was my lucky number. But like, the center of gravity on Nvidia is going to go to 666, because ultimately it is the fucking AI that's making the market go higher now. And it is the AI that's going to bring it fucking down, okay? So, trade AI on the right side of the equation. I know this is very unpopular, opinion on the market right now, but guess what? It was also very unpopular right here at 119 when nobody wanted to hear it, when fucking everybody wanted to sell it. Guess what? SMCI at that point was at $55. Now, you can't even buy a call or a put option for $55 on SMCI, depending on the fucking strike. So this is where we are, and you can't ignore the stop of market conditions, okay? When the price of a call option close to the money exceeds the price of a stock in not so distant past, you know it's a fucking bubble. And I could be off by a couple of days on the bubble popping, but we're not very far from it. So, I mean, I wouldn't be shocked if we saw SMCI at 1100. Fuck it, 1500. I mean, I should probably even title the video SMCI 5000. Do you know why? It doesn't fucking matter, okay? These numbers in this market that don't make sense. American is a fucking depression, okay? With all these fake numbers that make you believe like, oh, well, our employee, like, it's all bullshit. Okay, Germany is in total shit. Europe is in shit. Japan, all-time highs, while the GDP is contracting at the speed of light. All of that shit is going to resolve in a biggest fucking collapse. Probably 1929, okay, ain't going to fucking, it's going to be way bigger than 1929. I think we're heading for some really wild shit. So don't miss it. Don't miss it. Trade on the right side, guys. You can't be buying this market at all-time highs. This is not a fucking strategy. Options are overpriced. So by definition, even if you are buying calls and even if stocks are going higher by 200 points like SMCI, you're still not putting together no 20, 30x trades. You may be doubling, you may be tripling on the call side, but you're nowhere, you're not making any kind of money like what we've just shown you on a few trades on PANW on the put side, SMCI puts just like last Friday. I mean, in the last 4 trading days, we had 2 75x trades. Okay, and depending actually where you closed your PANW trade, some of our traders were up on that on the last exit target as much as 105x. And so you cannot make that kind of money on the call side. It is fucking impossible. You can't do it because options are fucking overpriced. So if you trade in options, okay, the way to go is to buy puts. Puts are underpriced, okay, puts you in a much better situation to capture a flash crash. The market is heading to a flash crash, okay, and the fact that, look, you got derivatives of Nvidia are going by a much larger percentage than Nvidia itself is telling you the market cannot do simple math 2 plus 2. And when the market cannot do 2 plus 2, what do? You fucking short it. So there it is, guys. 777 is your lucky number if you're a short seller. Short the fuck out of this market. Stop looking at the green candles. Short the fucking bounce. Locate your balls. This is the moment you've been waiting for as a short seller. Now it is time to take action. If you can't do it by yourself, fucking do it with a 13 Market Moves coach. Let's roll. Big money to be made on the short side.